Good morning. Welcome to Tuesday. Hopefully by this time of the day you've done your pledge. Had a great math class, enjoyed break. Please remember, seniors who are graduating on Friday, your countdown still continues. You have 72 hours. Without further ado, let's get to our lesson for today. We'll start with correcting yesterday's questions that I gave you. So if you could find your adverbs worksheets, your assignment was to do 21 through 40. On exercise 1. And on exercise 2, just highlight the adverbs. So we'll start here with 21 through 40. Number 21. We noticed that the wildflowers had quickly withered. Quickly is your adverb. Had withered is your verb phrase. Number 22. The steam engine puffed loudly as it pulled slowly into the station. Loudly modifies puffed. Slowly modifies pulled. The kids jumped happily on the sled and swiftly slid down the hill. Happily tells how the kids jumped. Swiftly tells how the kids slid. Number 24. Caitlin searched everywhere for the missing locket. Caitlin searched everywhere for the missing locket. In this sentence, everywhere tells location, and it modifies the verb searched. Number 25. My little brother's football team practiced hard for the first game. Hard modifies practiced. Number 26. The flame on the candle suddenly flickered. Suddenly is your adverb. Flickered is your verb. Number 27. Our lovely cactus bloomed beautifully in time for the holidays. Lovely. Remember, adverbs can modify verbs, adjectives, nouns. So lovely describes the cactus. Beautifully describes how it bloomed. The antique bed was entirely covered by the homemade quilt. Entirely modifies was covered. Number 29. The passenger was snoring loudly when the bus finally stopped at the station. Loudly modifies was snoring when the bus finally stopped at the station. Number 30. The aerobics class will meet again in 2 weeks. Again tells when the class will meet. And number 31, flowering shrubs totally surrounded the large porch. Totally modifies the verb surrounded. Number 32, the elephants in the circus were successfully trained for their job. Successfully modifies or tells how the elephants were trained. Wait here for the subway. Here is the adverb that tells where to wait. So let's move on to exercise number 2. I did the first 5 for you, and the assignment was just to highlight the adverbs. So number 6, Terry and Samantha worked on their science project yesterday. Yesterday is your adverb. Number 7, in spite of the setbacks, John succeeded quite well. Quite is your adverb. Okay, I'm going to move through these next ones rather quickly. I hope you follow along. Salute, stop messing around with Lewis. Adam, pay attention. Anthony, Daniel, close your computers. Number 8, cheerfully. How will you maintain your grades? How? She joined the club extremely early to qualify for the contest. Extremely. The demonstration we witnessed was truly extraordinary. 12. The announcer says the show will begin soon. Soon. The storm was terribly severe on the East Coast. Terribly. Jasmine then answered the question for the entire class. Then. The guest of honor was very knowledgeable. Very. Remember, it tells to what degree. Greg barely heard the news on the radio. Barely. 17. You will never guess whom I saw at the mall. Never. You will need 1 cup of finely chopped celery for this omelet. Finally. They recently established their friendship. Recently. Number 20. Nearly. 21. Possibly. Number 22. Quietly. Number 23. Not. Number 24. Already. Number 25. Well. 26. Joni quickly locked the front door. Quickly. Number 27. Cynthia says she never dreams about her job. Never. Number 28. The choir rehearsed diligently for the homecoming program. Number 29. The evening sky slowly turned deep blue. Number 30. The president solemnly opened the assembly. The bike was totally clean despite the rain. 32. I desperately wanted to see the adventure movie at our local theater. Desperately. This job seems utterly hopeless. Of course, I would never say that. Number 34. Our team firmly defended the championship trophy. Number 35. Sven almost surely will sell his computer to Allison. 36. The yellow daffodils are gently swaying in the spring breeze. 37. The tape in your video cassette is rather tangled. Maria certainly seems devoted to the school newspaper. The soft drink felt extremely cold in my hand, and we saw the small sailboat drifting aimlessly. Don't do 40. If you did the writing link, or 41 rather, if you did the writing link, give yourself plus 10 points. So, let's see, we had 40 here, and 40 there. Which takes it to a total of over 80. So put the number you got correct, over 80. Don't forget, if you did the writing, plus 10. So hopefully many of you either got 80 over 80 or 90 over 80. And it's okay if you didn't. We'll just keep working. That's the first part of today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. What we're going to do next is work on prepositions. And prepositions tell position. So give Miss Wolf a second. She'll start the next video, and we'll get underway on prepositions. Again, I miss you guys terribly. I wish I was there, and you know I do not like to miss school, especially such an important week of school. Hope you're all doing well. Hope you're all behaving, because if I hear that you're not, you know you've poked the bear. All right, I'll stop this video and then I'll start the preposition video.